Hey there everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I had told you that I had a couple of pieces or a couple of sheets of paper left over from the Authentique where I had made the photo album out of. And I said I was going to make something, and this is what I came up with because it was only two 6x6 sheets of paper. So I made a set of note cards and a little box to go to store them in. So this is what I have made. I have made this little box out of the black cardstock, and I just put some bling around the box. And then I made a clear top and I put some bling on the clear top itself. Guys, it's hard to make a clear top or even box without it tearing. So as you can see right here, there's little tears on the corners. That's why I said, well, I'm not going to make another one. I am going to try to hide that. So anyway, here is what I have made. Let me open up the box. Okay, so here is the box, the clear lid, and you can see the little tears a little bit better that way. But anyway, so, you know, and I just used double-sided tape for the corners to glue them down with, and it seems to hold pretty well. But this acetate isn't real thick. It's that overhead projector acetate. So, yeah, I need to get me something thicker, but, you know, it comes in such a large box that, you know, I've got to use it now. So here are my note cards, and let me show you the rest of the box. I just put some crinkle paper at the bottom, and I have decorated the box. I've lined it with the blue paper, and all of this, guys, is the scraps really from the book that I made, the mini album. And this is part of one of the sheets, and I really like this. I did distress the edges a little bit because I did it in the book as well. So I made that, and this is the set of note cards that I have made with the matching envelopes. So I made a little belly band to keep them together. And so let me see, two of the note cards are little, you know, actual note cards. So guys, I don't know if you guys opted to get the little sentiments that was being offered. It said free, but I paid shipping, which was $2 and something cents. But anyway, I really did like them. They're a lot smaller than I actually thought they were going to be, but you know, hey, for $2.19, I think it was, pretty good. So anyway, this is the first note card, and again, I just used a piece of you know, the one sheet. I made 4 cards with one sheet. Just put a bow there, bling to go with the same theme, and thinking of you, and they're plain on the inside. So there's that one, and then there is this one. I had this one left over from that you know, the from a pack that I was using, that it was sent to me, and she's so cute. And this one says happy birthday, and this one also is plain. And then these last two, these are just note cards, not, you know, the flip open cards, but again, this is a piece from that. It says happy birthday, and this is where you would write your note on the back side. And this one is the same as that one. It doesn't flip open, but it is a note card. Like I said, it was made with you know, all the scraps. So yeah, that's what I came up with. And then the envelopes, I didn't fold them because I wanted them to fit nice and neat. But sorry about that. Okay, so all the note cards fit really snugly into the envelopes. And yeah, there you go. They're 3 by 3. So there we go. You've got 4 envelopes, and each of them have something on the back. This was on the back of that front cover of the book, so I cut it out and used it as well. So there you go, guys. And then I was going to start rounding the corners, but I had already put this little liner in, and it didn't quite, you know, look right. So, because it was an afterthought, the rounding. So this one isn't, you know, as cute as the other ones are, but it is still an envelope and it is still usable. Anyway, guys, this is going to be my giveaway for July. And let me see, I wrote myself some notes. And I will, you know, probably include some extra stuff, but you must like this video. You must be a visible subscriber, and don't forget to hit the notification bell on there. That way, when I do choose the winner, you are notified of that, because I hate to pick a winner and then you never contact me. But anyway, and then comment on this video, because I am going to use the random comment picker and for the winner. So this giveaway will be July the 21st, 2019 by the end of the day. Okay, guys, that was my share for the day. That's what I made with my scraps. So don't ever throw your scraps away. Make a little something. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And guys, have a blessed day.